everybody, Keith here again. Welcome to another unboxing video. This isn't orchids, but it is orchid related. I've treated myself to a new toy to see whether I can improve conditions in the conservatory as far as orchids are concerned. So I'm going to try and get this plastic off. There's lots and lots and lots, as you can probably see. The problem I've got, and I guess most of us have got who don't have a greenhouse, so you can, like Roger's got a conservatory that's been pretty much dedicated to purely orchid growing. Mine kind of have to put up with whatever the conditions happen to be, and of course inside a house the humidity is not that high. In fact, at the moment this is reading 33%. And although most of mine don't seem to do too badly at that, perhaps because they're in reasonably close proximity to each other and you get a bit of a microclimate going. There are some which are going to need more at it. There's a nozzle. That's going to be the tank. So thankfully it's all come in one piece. We haven't got the problem that Roger had with that big one he bought, where it's you see it not terribly well. Get it over here. It's an ultrasonic humidifier, of course. You've got a vent up there. So that's the next job, really, to have a play with this and see how we get on. It was suggested to me on Twitter, I think, by somebody, if you've got a plant which particularly needs it humid. The idea that she suggested was that you have the humidifier pointing at that plant, so that gets the maximum amount of humidity, and then the plants that sit below that, as the air sort of falls down, as it will obviously cool, they'll get the benefit of some humidity. So that's only a quickie today. I've got some repotting which I want to do later in the week, so there'll be some more videos to come. But that's that, and probably in some of the next ones we'll see how we're getting on. Now, what you might perhaps want to have a look at is my Vanda, which is now in a glass jar up at the top. Not very clever, is it, that? But you can see there how the roots are inside that glass jar. I managed to get them in there. I'm watering it pretty much when the roots are well dried, and at the moment, even though that's not all that hot, it seems to be about every other day, and it's kind of an issue, and only it isn't, but that's 4 litres of liquid in there, and I've only got storage for 2 litres, so I'm going to have to go and buy myself some more bottles to keep the fertiliser in, so I've got enough on hand if I'm going to have to do it that often. But it does seem to be doing quite nicely. It's opened up another couple of flowers, and there's some more to come, and I think the leaves extended slightly on the top. So okay, that's me done for now, and I'll catch up with you later. Bye.